morning. Okay, so this video has been filmed across a couple weeks. Basically, at the start of filming I had context, and now I'm not exactly sure where this video goes, but I know it contained a lot of destruction, I guess, and a bit of creation as well. So bear with me, listen to the music, whatever kind of weird memes I play, enjoy, and let me know in the comments if you like it.
Can't stop eating.
Now, before we switch over to that, I just realized I just made a TikTok account. I know, very cringe, I'm old. I still don't understand how it works. But basically, when it hits 100 followers on the TikTok account, I'm gonna start doing like a fitness kind of series, which I'm already doing it at the moment, and it's going good. So, if that sounds interesting, please go give it a follow. And as I said, 100 followers, so it's not going to take long to get up there. But yeah. It wouldn't be a drift video if we weren't running late. To take out the rest of the AC system, I might have to take out the dash, which wish I had the visors to kind of get in the way because the sun's so bright. I have to take out the dash to get to the AC stuff, which is kind of a bit of a pain. I don't know, I'll think about it. Otherwise, I might just come in with like some sort of hammer or something and just smash and just try and tear out as much as I can. I know if when I do the cage on this, I'm gonna have to take the dash out. I guess might as well do it now. I don't want to though. Oh my god, it is a ghost car. No. Alright, we're actually getting somewhere. So, trying to block the sun. So we've taken out the radiator. The radio is gone. And also the temperature controller thingy. Now, I've also taken a panel off, revealing, yeah, nice little, oh, you remember when you were a kid, right? You just like, yeah, so we're making ways of removing stuff. We now have to figure out what's the next bit to remove. Because I'm really just, like, I'm not keeping this. This part is fully going. That means I get all the access I want to the trans tunnel. Because more than likely the gearbox I'm putting in here will be too big for this tunnel. It's a little too small. So yeah, making our way. Got it. No, thank you.
Yeah. No way, I think I met the one. In a million at the jackpot. Finally did it, I won. Yeah. Still searching for something better.
Might have jumped forward a little bit. The dash is out. That's cool. Well, it's definitely gonna make it easier to clean up things and remove wires, and yeah, it definitely wasn't a pain to remove. Usually you see like a funny joke, people will like just break their windscreen because there's usually a bolt like right here to get to it, and you don't have a tool that really works for it. Then what I did was I got an Allen key and the right size socket, shoved a bit of a wedge in there, and I was able to actually go on and then just like rotate slowly. So that means I'm saving a windscreen. Now it means we can actually take off all this stuff that I was actually just going to leave because it was going to be too hard to remove. Look at all these parking tickets. 13 April 2016. 2013. Yeah, and there's, oh, 2010.
Beige. I love beige.
In a million at the jackpot, finally